What is going what is going on, fellow YouTubers? This is Clayboy59 here. I'm gonna be playing some custom Nazi zombies on the PC. And I do have, I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah, I'm gonna be playing some zombies on the PC. I am using my controller,
Why don't someone go turn the power
but
on?
we're playing some pirate ship here. We're gonna make it to like around 20. You guys ready? Let's do this. Sorry, my sensitivity's so low, that's as high as it gets on the controller. Yeah, not that bitch. That's weird, this is slower than this. God damn it, knife! There we go. Let's go up here and get this MP40. Let's do this.
Need to round up some rounds.
That wasn't close.
Double points. Rack 'em up.
Okay. Forgot to, when I was setting up my controller, I forgot to put a reload button on. That's just wonderful. Shit.
Suck it.
God dang it, I can't get my aim on him. But I can just tap the button on my keyboard and it will reload. So, yeah. Oh crap, I forgot to check up here. Okay, good. Please pardon me, hold on a second. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to change my sensitivity because I was looking up way too fast.
Slice and dice, baby.
Okay, looks like round 3 is done and over with. Oh crap. Oh, that was close. That was close.
Shit. No ammo. Didn't you hear? I'm a crack shot.
Let's kill these bad boys.
Don't
Oh,
fuck
this
with a
was a
Marine.
close one.
I don't think he was using that anyway.
I'll kill him in a second.
Hell yeah, that was sweet.
Oh man, I'm racking up the points, aren't I?
Hoorah! They're dropping like bad habits.
Okay, I'm gonna open this door. And open the next door, hopefully it's just 1,000. Okay, good. Turn on power. And go. Get Juggernog. should be
I'm
all
always
set
into
for a while.
Juggernog.
I don't know what that was, but okay.
See you, maggot bags. Much appreciated. I told you I wasn't on the menu.
Let's just try this box. Reload. Ooh, MG.
Not even close, freak bag.
Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I had to turn my sensitivity up just a little bit. Let's get my MG out.
Ah, shit, here come the dogs. Fetch me their soul.
Well, guys, this is gonna wrap it up for this part. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to, please, if you don't mind, like and subscribe. Until then, guys, peace out.